With this specific result, we saved a couple $4,528, helping them get their case dismissed. See, the situation is, and a lot of people don't know this, is that when third-party debt collectors take you to court, there's certain information that they have to be able to win. But there's also situations where the original creditor is taking you to court, like in this situation, and they were illegally charging an interest rate. This payday lender was illegally charging an interest rate that is not legal to charge in the state that they were in. Now, you might be saying, well, how are they able to be in business if they're charging an illegal interest rate? Well, they don't outright charge an illegal interest rate. What happened was the recycling of loans that a payday lender might be doing, that could disqualify them from making that particular loan, because they are not allowed to charge a certain interest rate per month. So if they actually recycle the loan, or you go in and renew a payday loan, they could actually be violating your state's usury laws. If you ever have any questions about that, please visit my YouTube channel, The Credit Repair Shop, and you can watch videos that I've done on payday loans or illegal loans, and you can also submit your questions there. Go to my YouTube channel, The Credit Repair Shop, and you'll see my picture on there, and you can get answers to those questions, especially if you have debt collectors trying to sue you for your hard-earned money.